In this video, we will talk about how to configure and install service account for Android devices in MDM. Let's start the demo. To begin with, we will need a Google account to set up a project and obtain a service account key for Android devices. To create a project and obtain a service account key, we will have to go to console.cloud.google.com. Log in with your account and click on Select a Project. Since I do not have any projects created, I will select New Project. I will name it as Android MDM and click on Create. It will take a couple of minutes to create a project. Once the project is created, you can click on Select Project. Now from the navigation menu, select Marketplace and look for Android API. Select Android Management API from the list. Click on Enable. Once enabled, go to the navigation menu again and click on IAM and Admin. Under this, go to your service accounts. In the service accounts, create service account. Service account name will be Android Manager. We can keep the default Android-Manager as the service account ID, and we can leave service account description as blank. However, if you would like to describe it, you can do so. I'll click on Create and Continue. Here, we'll select the role for the account. Search for Android Management User. Click on Continue. As the third one is optional, I will leave it blank and click on Done. As you can see, my service account has now been created. Click on the service account and go to Keys, select Add Key and create New Key. Since BCM supports JSON, we will download a file that contains the private key as JSON. Click on Create and click on Close. Once the JSON file is downloaded, we will go back to the console, go to Android. In the right pane, select Install Service Account and navigate to the part where the key is stored. I will select the .json file and click on Open. As you can see, client email, client ID and project ID gets auto-populated. Thank you for watching the video.